Welcome to Chemistry 1409, Chemistry for Engineers. This is a short welcome video to draw your attention to a few important points on our Blackboard Ultra shell, like modes of communication, materials, calendar and scheduling, our online textbook and homework, and our online and at-home labs. This is a fully online course, so you need to be very familiar with our Blackboard Ultra shell. Let's talk about communication first. Even though this is an online class, I want you to feel like communication is easy. Communication with myself, the instructor, and with your classmates. Our primary source of communication is the Pronto app. You can access this through this link in Blackboard, or you can download the app on your device. Using Pronto, you can message the entire class or direct message me if you don't want to share with the entire class. This has been a great tool for my classes. Just snap a photo of your work or question, and I'll be able to respond pretty quickly. Again, I check my messages regularly. You can message me anytime within reason, typically until 6 or 7 p.m. If you message after 6 or 7 p.m., it's likely that I'll respond first thing the following morning. Next, let's go back to the Blackboard Ultra shell and click the Start Here folder. Please read all the sections carefully. You are responsible to understand all the information here, especially the Blackboard technical support and HonorLock. Of course, because this is an online course, you'll need to use HonorLock video and screen monitoring to take your quizzes and exams. Please add the HonorLock Chrome extension to your Chrome browser. You'll also find the link to the syllabus and our course schedule and grading policies. Speaking of the course schedule, let's go to the calendar section on top of Blackboard Ultra. Here you'll find the due dates and times for assignments. If you go back to the home screen, I've added a link to the schedule of the due dates. I recommend printing a copy and having it somewhere where you can see it on a daily basis. For those of you that are near a campus, here are the hours of operation for all computer labs at all of our campuses. The next few folders are your resources for the semester. First, you'll see a folder with the ALEX link. ALEX is our homework system for the semester. Please click this link and register for ALEX, and your ALEX account will be linked to this Blackboard course. Next, you'll see my Chemistry 1409 instructor notes, which I have divided into two parts. The Chem 1409 references includes all the formulas, constants, tables, and periodic table. Please print this file and have it with you for all quizzes and exams. And finally, here are the links to the playlists for all my lectures and tutorials. In these videos, I'll offer explanations and walk you through some examples of our chemistry problems. As an open resource course, I have also added the links to our open resource textbook, Chemistry 2nd edition from OpenStax. Additionally, I've added the OpenStax PowerPoint files. The next folder holds the department-required safety modules from the American Chemical Society. Please take note of the due dates for these assignments. The next folder is the Science Interactive folder. These are the online labs and at-home labs you'll be using for this semester. Click the Getting Started link to log in and register using the access code I emailed your Blackboard messages. Science Interactive will mail you an at-home kit. Please do this as soon as possible, as it will take 7 to 10 business days to ship the materials to you. In addition to the at-home kits, you'll notice that there are online lessons and activities in your Science Interactive account. Each lab includes an online activity in addition to the at-home lab. Some labs are only online and do not have an at-home lab activity. These are labeled as digital. Finally, on our homepage, you'll notice the module folders. Within these folders, you'll see links to the recommended playlists for the module. Then the assignments. Then the quizzes and exam for each module. All assessments will open 48 to 72 hours before the due time. Let's recap. Because this is an online class, you'll be responsible for a good internet connection and access to a camera on your computer. If you're close to a campus, I recommend using our computer labs. Finally, communication is important. I'll use the Pronto app as the main form of communication. Please do not hesitate to contact me if you have any questions. I look forward to meeting all of you and having a fruitful semester.